सेम MCQ. Let probability of an event E plus probability of event not E टोटल कितना हो जाएगा, सम बोला है, देन इट इज इक्वल टू ए 1 एज पर द फॉर्मूला. द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एन इवेंट दैट कैन नॉट हैपन, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, 0. सच एन इवेंट इज कॉल्ड एज एन अनप्रॉबेबल इवेंट. क्या बोला जाएगा, अनप्रॉबेबल इवेंट. द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एन इवेंट दैट इज सर्टेन टू हैपन, श्योर है, देन आंसर विल बी 1. सच एन इवेंट इज कॉल्ड एज एन डैश, दैट इज ए श्योर इवेंट. क्या बोला जाएगा, श्योर इवेंट. द सम ऑफ द प्रोबेबिलिटीज ऑफ ऑल द एलिमेंट्स events of an experiment is equal to the 1, and the probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. ये सी रेंज में आएगा, that I had already shown you in the form of a formula. Now which of the following experiment have equally likely outcome? Explain. Driver attempts to start a car. The car start or does not start. How much is the event experiment it is going to take? That is a half event. Maybe start होगा या तो नहीं होगा. Second, player attempts to shoot a basketball. She or he shoots or misses the shot. That is also a half. 50-50 chances रहेंगे. A trial is made to answer a true false questions. Once again, when we are asking true or false, so it is not necessary or it is impossible to write the statement in both the forms. So there also chances is half, equal 50%. A baby is born, it may be a boy or it may be a girl. So once again that outcome will be a half. Now we'll see is sum number 2. Why is tossing a coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team should get a ball of the beginning in a football game? Because either team 1 or team 2 will get the opportunity, so it will be a half. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? As we have seen, the range of probability is from 0 to 1. Here 2/3 which is a less than 1, 1.5 which is a greater than 1. This is a wrong. 15% means 100% is equal to 1 and 15% is less than 1 and greater than 0. So this is also a possible, and 0.7 this is also possible, but greater than 1 is not at all possible. So answer B is wrong. If PE means chances is 0.05, what is the probability of not E? So total chances is always 1, event chances minus 0.05. So I am going to get the answer is 0.95. This all is a skill based simple questions which you are able to understand very clearly. So same way you have to try to sort it out. Sum number 6, 7, 8, that is a very easy, but from 8 we'll try to sort it out by own. Now number 8, let us see.
A bag contains 3 red ball and 5 black ball. A ball is drawn at
Red
random.
ball is how much? 3.
3 and black is 5. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability of that the ball drawn is red or not?
Red. Total number of the ball कितने हो जाएंगे? 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So total event is equal to how much? Red के chances कितने हो जाएंगे? 3/8 because number of the red is how much? 3. What is the black? Black के event कितने हो जाएंगे? 5/8. This will be the answer. Question number 9 now.
A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out from the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red, white or not green?
Not green. Now total event is 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 4, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So total event chances कितने हो जाएंगे? 17. Number of the red marbles कितने हैं? 5. So 5 out of 17 is the number of red marbles chances. Number of the white marble chances is equal to how much? Number is how much? 8. Total कितने हैं? 17. तो 8 by 17. Number of the green marbles is how much? Is a 4 upon 17. But the question which has been asked is not a green marbles. So probability of not getting a green marble. So total event is equal to 1 माइनस मैं ग्रीन के इवेंट को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूंगा. इफ आई टेक LCM तो 14 माइनस 4 अपॉन 17 होगा. 14 माइनस 4, 17 माइनस 4, that is equal to 13 upon 17 will be the answer. Here sum number 3, the right answer is not this, because they have asked about not green marbles. Is that clear? Please remember this and do not make any silly mistakes in this type of the sums, particularly they had asked to reach up to this is your answer. Okay, now sum number 10.
A piggy bank contain 150 paise coin, 51 rupees coin, 22 rupees coin and 10 5 rupees coin. If it is equally likely that one of the coin will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin one will be a 50 paise coin, will not be 5 rupee coin?
Now in this particular case we have to remember it that a total event is 100 plus 50, that is 150, 150 plus 20, that is 170, 170 plus 10 is equal to how much? 180. अब अगर मैं एक बार अप करके डाउन करता हूँ तो इसमें से एक कॉइन गिरता है, तो नंबर ऑफ द 50 में से कॉइन्स बाहर आने के चांसेस, कॉइन में कितने हैं? 100, 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 180, दैट इज इक्वल टू कैंसलेशन करेंगे तो 5 एंड दिस बाय 2, देन वी आर गोइंग टू गेट 9. तो नंबर ऑफ द 50 पैसा कॉइन्स बाहर आने के चांसेस 5/9. नंबर ऑफ द 5 रुपीज़ कॉइन्स बाहर आने के चांसेस कितने हैं? So 10 by 180, 0 0 will get cancel, so 1 by 18. Probability of not getting a rupees 5 coin, that will be the last question. Here very important thing is a narration. नकारात्मक वाक्य रचनाएं. This is a skill based question and usually if will appear in a higher studies like a JEE है, NEET है. नरेशन जो होते हैं नकारात्मक वाक्य रचनाएं, देयर यू हैव टू लिटल बिट वेरी कॉन्शियस ड्यूरिंग सॉल्विंग योर सम्स इन अ बोर्ड. ऑल्सो यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन दिस पर्टिकुलर वर्ड, सो देर इज ए लेस चांस टू गेट ए रॉन्ग आंसर. सो 5 के चांसेस कितने थे? टोटल इवेंट इज 1 एंड ₹5 के आने के चांसेस 1 by 18. 18 minus 1, that is equal to 17 by 18. So total number will be a 17 by 18. Now sum number 11.
Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper take out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that the fish taken out is male fish?
Now total number of the fish which has been taken is a male plus female, then 5 is a male and 8 is a female. 5 plus 8 is equal to how much? 13. Probability of the getting male fish, total number of fish कितना है? If I put it, collect it randomly, so out of that I am going to get 5 upon 13 is a event which is taking place, or probability for male fish from that particular random samples. Next, sum number 12.
A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which come to rest point at one of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. and these are equally likely come.
Now for this, the diagram which has been given is something like this. This is your diagram which has been given in your textbook 15.5. अगर मैं स्पिन करता हूँ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 नंबर हैज बीन रिटन, कौन सा आएगा उसके बारे में हमें स्टडी करना है.
And these are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that it will 8, an odd number, a number greater than 2, a number less than 9?
Now here we have to remember the basic concept, that is one is a odd number and even number and a prime number. So probability of the getting 8, total number of the possible outcome कितने हो जाएंगे 8, because number which has been printed on that particular circle is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So probability of getting 8 is equal to 1 by 8. Total number of the odd number on a spinner. What is odd number? 1 3 5 7 4. So total number is equal to how much? 4. Probability of getting an odd number is equal to 4 by 8, that is equal to 1 by 2. Is that clear? So you have to remember this. Instead of that, they can ask about a even number also. Now number of the greater than 2 are कितना होगा? 2 से ज़्यादा 3 4 5 6 7 8. टोटल नंबर ऑफ द ग्रेटर देन 2 इज इक्वल टू कितने हो जाएंगे? 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. तो नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम, नंबर ऑफ द टोटल पॉसिबल आउटकम तो 6 बाय 8. अगर कैंसिल करेंगे बाय 2 विल गेट ए 3 बाय 4. इज दैट क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, that is a number 4, number of less than 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Total number is all number which is lying on a circle is less than 8. 9 तो है ही नहीं. So probability of getting a number less than 9 is 8 by 8, that is equal to 1. So probability of this particular event is 1. Next,
A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number, a number lying between 2 and 3, and third, an odd number.
now if I throw a die, there are maybe chances 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 will be the number. Now number of the possible outcome of the dice कितने हो जाएंगे? 6. Now I will take a prime number of the dice, that is a 2 is a prime number, 3 another prime number and 5 will be the prime number. So total number of the dice is equal to कितने हो जाएंगे प्राइम के? 3. तो probability 3 by 6, 3 2 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. Number lying between 2 and 6, that is 3 4 and 5. तो टोटल नंबर लाइंग बिटवीन 2 and 6 इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच हो जाएंगे? 1 2 and 3, दैट इज इक्वल टू 3. तो प्रोबेबिलिटी इज इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा? 3 by 6, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2. नाउ सेम वे ऑड नंबर ऑन अ डाइस, ऑड नंबर ऑन अ डाइस इज हाउ मच? 1 2 is a even, 3 is a odd, 4 is a even, 5 is a odd and 6 is a even. So odd number on a dice is equal to 3. Probability of getting a odd number is equal to 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. That is sum number 13. Here we have finished up to this particular part, sum number 13. Remaining sums we are going to sort it out tomorrow itself. I am requesting you to solve all the 13 sums today only. It is a very easy exercise. Along with that, 1 to 13 all sums including illustration. Please do not try to copy down these illustration sums, because maximum chances that they may ask from these particular illustration sums. And if you have any doubt in any sums, please contact me on number 9638229462. Thank you very much for being with us.